Hello guys, today our Pallet produced a very nice color. Let us see what it is. Follow my view. Okay, here the line is also white color, you can see. So nice. Now packing is Mr. Wang. He has over 16 years rich experience. His wife also worked here together and they are very happy with their life. Now we come to our powder coating line workshop. This is the color what we see just now. This is the white upright. This is not a regular color. The regular color for upright is blue, but this is white. Very few times you can see this color. So this is for ASRS racking systems. You can see the bottom we use a very strong and big thickness. And here has a hole to connect the adjust base plate. The upright section is very big and the thickness also very big. From this view, you can see the color is very nice. It's perfect. Maybe different light background. You can see the color is a little different, but it is a white color. Not gray. We can do many different colors, such as regular blue upright color and orange box beam color, and some yellow color for the upright protector or the frame barrier. So not only this regular color, we can also submit you the custom color. All the color from the RAL color system, we can do any of them. So if you want to custom your own different or some special customer, okay, you can contact us. We can meet your all needs or our requirements.